Hello everybody. It's been a minute since I posted. And I've been getting a lot of requests and emails actually that, hey, when are you going to post? When are you going to put your new video out? And I'll be honest with you, there really hasn't been anything new or exciting to post. I mean, I drive it to work and back every day. There doesn't seem to be a whole lot of new development, with the exception of that now this rust is starting to peek through, despite me doing everything I possibly could to not have it happen. Yep, so you see kind of it's starting to poke through the winter. I mean, it's pretty mild. It's like 40 degrees, but just a little bit ago, last week we were like negative 25 with snow and blizzard conditions, and I just stayed at home. So I thought about posting a video like how to drive through a blizzard, but at the same time I'm like, I'm not suicidal, so I'm not gonna do that. And look, this video is basically just to give you guys a quick update. I'm still alive. Just because I'm not posting on YouTube doesn't mean that I'm not interested in doing so, but it's just, it's been working. I really have no complaints. I drive it every day. It's got 117,900 something, so almost 118,000 at this point. Yeah, I mean, nothing really. So this tire, I guess, now that I'm pointing at it, this tire did develop a slow leak, so I top it off every couple weeks. All right, so nothing real there. Interior, nothing. Yeah, I mean, everything kind of works. What else? Yes, I still got my two-tone paint. Now, let's see, what about rust on this side? Yeah, this side surprisingly just works fine without rust. What else? In the back? Nothing. So yeah, so the whole point of this video is just to give you guys an update as far as, what did it cost me to run this car. Now it's my third year of ownership. So I bought it December 24th of 2019. I'm filming this on December 30th. So I'll post it after, not to jinx it. Here, I guess I could use my secret code and let you guys in here. Look, yeah, it's dirty. It is definitely dirty. Here, it's my lunch bag. It's not a purse, it's a satchel. Yeah, I mean, the corrosion is still here like it was before. As you can see, it's kind of dirty from all the salt and crap. I don't live in Texas. I don't live in Florida or California. I live in good old land of the Lincoln. Well, land of Lincoln. There you go. Lincoln land. Yeah. I mean, look, it's still fine. The seat is still cushy and plushy, and I'm surprised that my budget leather repair is still kind of holding on. I mean, it's starting to come off a little, and some people will call it nasty and weird and dirty looking, but no, it's my paint, that thing that I just painted over. Steering wheel cover is still here. Works. It protects the little wear spot. The wood is a little bit more chipped, I guess, now than it was before when I bought it, but it still works. The dash is still good. I'm still having the whole selecting of the I can't get the defrost, so as you guys can see here, maybe I can see. So here's my kit. Here's my winter kit. I got my snow brushes. I got my defroster, then my ice melter, and some paper towels just to wipe some stuff off whenever needed. But in general, yeah, I mean, it works. I mean, it starts. I do need to tighten this. It started to do this again after X many months of tightening this screw. It keeps doing this. I mean, no matter. And then the funny thing is, if you tighten it further, it'll just break. So the little plastic piece behind, so I need to tighten it. I'll do it at some point. Sunroof is not leaking. The air shocks still work. I mean, yeah, the biggest thing is that this development right here. But you know what, guys, I'm not fixing this anymore. That's it. 3 years ago, I did this shady job, and I got plenty of criticism as far as why is your car look like this, bad paint match. Well, guess what? It didn't cost me $5,000 to do this the right way. It cost me like 900 some bucks, or let's say $1,000. So Oh yeah, my Flex Seal here. Let me grab this. My Flex Sealed rims. I mean, this is the stuff that I wiped off. You see the lighter spots? This is the stuff that I wiped off of them, like, I don't know, a month or 2 months ago, whenever I posted that video with Flex Seal stuff. It's still kind of clean. So I guess if you Flex Seal your tires and then your rims, and then wipe them off when it dries off, it does kind of stay kind of clean. You know, dirty, clean, dirty, clean. And then all the stuff that I sprayed in here, you can kind of see the lighter stuff, but I guess the rust, nothing will stop the rust. Oh yeah. Oh wow, it's like splitting like right there, and I have no idea why. Why is this spot or these quarter panels, why are they the way they are? No clue. See all the salt and stuff from just driving in it. Yeah, I mean, here it's kind of rust free. Yeah, so basically, I mean, at this point I am third year ownership. You know, will I continue to post stuff on YouTube? Yeah, I will, when there's something interesting. But will I be getting another older car in the future? You know, time will tell. Simply because, you know, I do have a family. I don't have enough time to devote to this hobby, and after all, this is a hobby. YouTube does not pay me enough. You know, my subscribers, aka you guys, I mean, I love you all, but there's not enough of you that keep watching. So yeah, I mean, I do have, here's our Forester. You know, will I be getting a hand-me-down Forester for my wife to drive something else? It's possible. Will I decide just to be like, you know, screw it and get a Camry or something, or whatever this is, Acura, or, you know, or maybe that minivan? You know, will I be getting something that's, you know, new or newer? It's also possible. But for now, what I'll do is I will switch back to actually the video that's in the title of how much did it cost me to run this car. So I will be putting receipts. I'll scan all the receipts, which I do keep. I used to keep it for all of my cars, and I'm keeping all the receipts here. And I remember a few repairs, definitely. That was interesting. You know, this is the year where this car left me stranded at a Walmart parking lot. The one and only time it did it so far, where the shifter cable broke, and then something about an alternator that I replaced. And also, I do need to replace the blinker. Maybe it's the blinker fluid that ran out, right? So, all right, guys. You know, Happy New Year to everyone who's watching. It looks like this Subaru does have a flat tire, or a very low tire. I just topped out this one. Yeah, so here, enjoy. I will tally everything up, and you guys, those who wonder how much does it cost me to run this car in 2022, you'll see it. And I will see you all with the next video whenever it comes. I mean, I don't know when that might be. Thank you, and see everybody.